Happy 2019 guys. I'm so excited to be doing this protective style video. If you're interested in getting these kinky twists in, keep watching. So to start off, you will need Marley here, and as you can see in the footage here, I've got one that's off black and the other that's super black. And I lightly detangle the hair, cut it in half, and I actually double the hair to create twists that are a little bit chunky. Not too chunky, but just right. Just before we get started, I'm just going to show you the concept of twisting. So you just want to twist the hair in the opposite directions on your scalp, and this will create tension that will force the hair to twist by itself, as you can see in the footage. This tension is what's going to make your twist really hold on the scalp. So if you can master this, good on you. I have been stretching my natural hair with my Vikuti for a few days, and I am just going to part it at the back to start twisting. And notice I am actually parting quite big chunks at the back because I actually don't want the hair to be too full, because I want to make a bun without too much of a hassle. I want the hair to be light on my head. Towards the end of the video, I will show you in much detail what I'm doing in the footage, but basically you twist each individual piece of hair before twisting it against each other, if that makes any sense at all. And then once you're done twisting, I like to just, relax the whole twist by pulling it down. And another thing to bear in mind is that the base of your hair does not need to be tight, painful, let it be nice and loose so you're not really irritating your scalp. This is my first proper attempt at doing kinky twists with Marley braid. I mean, I've done them in the past, but nothing close to what I'm doing here today. So I'm pretty pleased with my results. And if I can do it, you can do it too. So place your extension on your hair and start to twist in the opposite directions as you twist the hair. So you're twisting the individual hair before you actually twist it against each other. That's what makes it nice and firm at the scalp. And notice that the more you do this, the more you practice, the better you get at it. So don't be too, hard on yourself if you can't get it the first time. I did my hair over a course of 2 days simply because I was just so tired, guys. But if you've got the motivation, you can do this in one day. And notice here, I'm just going to show you the concept of twisting once again. So you twist the individual hairs in the opposite direction, and then the hair actually twists on itself. So you place your hair on your scalp and start to twist. One hair in one direction and the other piece of hair in the opposite direction. When you're done, the hair will actually start to twist against itself. You will feel it when you start to do it. And then once it does that, then you just continue down the entire hair shaft. Guys, I'm just going to share a quick tip here. You know how this style is actually a protective style? We want to protect the ends of our hair. See how I've got some hair that could very easily be left out of the extension. See that hair? You want to try and hide that hair in the extension. Twist that hair against itself and then twist the two pieces of hair together. That ensures that you don't have any flyaway hair and you've got a nice and neat looking twist, and your ends, most importantly, are protected. So once again, you place the hair extension that is, on your scalp, twist one individual hair in one direction and the other piece in the opposite direction. And once it's nice and taut at the base, You want to start to twist the two pieces of hair against each other. As you continue to make the twist down the hair shaft, you want to ensure that you continue to twist the individual hairs so that the twist is nice and firm. So you want to twist the individual hairs for the entire shaft before twisting the two pieces of hair against each other so that the twist is nice and firm. And don't worry too much if your twist is not looking neat initially, because remember at the end we relax the entire twist, which helps to really create that nice and neat finish you see at the end of this twist. I'll show you guys what we're doing one last time. Place your piece of hair close to your scalp, make sure it's nice and even on either side. Hold it nice and firmly and begin to twist the individual hairs in the opposite direction. Once you're happy with the firmness and the tautness, you can start to twist down the shaft of the entire hair. There you go, nice and firm, and begin. That's your twist, remembering to twist each individual hair before twisting it against each other. I'm trying to be as clear as possible here so you guys don't have any questions with regards to how to make it nice and firm. And remember those hairs, see that hair left out? It's easy to leave your ends out. You want to try and hide that hair in the extension before twisting the hair against the other piece of hair, if you know what I mean. There's another piece. You get to hide that one in the hair extension before continuing down the entire shaft. When you pull your twist to relax it, make sure you hold the base of the twist so you're not tagging on your hair or causing any trauma to your scalp. This process should be painless, absolutely painless. We're done. All finished. I'm an amateur. I'm not a hairdresser or anything like that. So if I can do it, you can do it. You just need to challenge yourself. They're not perfect twists. There's people that can do twists better than me out there, but guys, this is for my people that are not really good with, you know, their skills, and you know, you feel like you're not that good with handling your hair. Like anything in life, you just need to put your mind to it. It is time consuming. You need a lot of hours. I was gonna say a few hours. You need a lot of hours to do it, and maybe over, you know, a course of a couple of days to complete the style. But at the end of it all, you get a complete protective style for probably, you know, a few months, and you get to save money, you know, you get to up your skills, and you make sure that your hair is taken care of. You can clearly see that the base of my twists are actually quite loose because I'm an amateur myself. I'm not good at braiding, you know, or twisting, or, you know, dealing with my hair, but I get to save my money and I get to up my skills, and I know my ends are protected.